We're looking at a Samsung A30 today. The owner reported a no display issue after accidentally lying on the phone while sleeping. Our first step, as always, was a physical inspection to check for exterior damage before beginning the full diagnostics. Because the user stated that he accidentally laid his phone, let's check for any disalignment of the mobile frame. I think the frame is not disaligned, but let's check if it turns on. No power response, even trying to turn on the mobile phone, still no response. Next is using a cell phone USB tester. This diagnostic tool used to measure and monitor the flow of electricity and charging mobile devices. It helps technicians to troubleshoot charging problems and evaluate the quality of charging accessories. Based on the result, I think we don't have any problem with its charging IC, but we still need to double-check its motherboard before we can confirm if its only problem is the LCD. Now let's start check its internal components. After checking the motherboard, no short circuit was tested. We can now confirm that the only problem with this unit is its LCD. Now, let's double-check first our LCD replacement before installation. Excellent! After thorough inspection and a final continuity check, the new LCD assembly has passed all our quality control tests. It is perfectly intact, prepped with fresh adhesive, and is now ready for a flawless integration. Let's get this installed and seal the phone back up. Great news! Following the full diagnostic and successful LCD replacement, your Samsung A30 is now fully repaired and functioning perfectly. We're running a final full battery charge and inspection to ensure peak battery performance before we hand it over. Thank you for choosing Kent Mobile. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Follow our Facebook page to stay updated on our latest repairs and tips. Next time, we will give free mobile phone to our followers.